Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix application failed to start because side-by-side configuration is incorrect. As you can see, if you're getting this kind of message in your computer and if you opened any of your computer file or any of your software and you are getting this kind of notification, and I have a very simple 3 process that can help you to fix this problem. So the first one is if you come over into your search option and going to search for appviz.cpl and then click enter, you will get your all apps in your computer. And here you just need to check the Microsoft Visual C++ file. So first one, I'm going to click on Microsoft Visual C++, click on the right mouse button and then going to click on change. And from here, you just need to click on repair. And then after completing the repair session, don't forget to restart. Before that, you just need to click close and going to click on this two and going to click on change and make it repair too. After you have any Microsoft Visual C++ file, then repair them too. And then you just need to restart your PC. After completing the restart, if your problem is not solved yet, then you can simply click on the search option and going to search for. And then from here, you just need to find out that file that are causing the problem. So you just need to uninstall that file. Click on that and then uninstall the file. Just I'm choosing this Google Chrome. If that file is Google Chrome or this software is Google Chrome that are not opening, you can simply uninstall it. After completing the installation, you must have any of alternative browser like Microsoft Edge. And into the Microsoft Edge, you can simply search for Google Chrome app and you can simply download the Google Chrome from this website in a very simple way. And after downloading that, I hope your problem will be solved. This method is same for any other apps. You are facing this problem, you just need to go for the appviz.cpl, repair the Visual C++ files, and then you just need to come over into that app. If it's not fixed yet, then uninstall that app and reinstall it from another alternative browser. So yeah, this is how we can simply solve this problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.